Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our March new products video. First new product is a steering wheel. This fits the OBS trucks 92 to 97. This is an exact reproduction of original. This is the one that if you have an airbag in your truck, this is the steering wheel. There's non-airbag and airbag. There's two different ones. Heavy duty construction, really nice wrap, all sewn really nice. Again, replacement steering wheel for the 92 to 96 Bronco and 92 to 97 F-Series pickup with an airbag. And our next new product is this transmission pan. This is for the 80 to 89 Fords with an AOD transmission. These come in heavy duty steel construction, stamped. Got a black finish, got a chrome finish. What's nice about this, it's got a drain plug in it. Threaded in just like on your oil pan. Again, replacement heavy duty AOD pan for the 80 to 89 Ford Bronco and pickup. And the little bonus we got, everybody knows all those transmission pans from Ford are pretty thin and they leak. We come up with this reinforcement bracket. This will fit with your stock transmission pan or this new pan here. What you do basically is this is a laser cut piece, precision cut, all ready to go. It's made out of galvanneal, so you don't have to coat it or anything, it won't rust. You can just drop the bolts off, drop it on your transmission pan. It gives you and when you torque it up to the right tech, it gives you a uniform torque thing so you will not leak. Again, brand new transmission pan, black and chrome, and we have the brand new reinforcer for it also. And our next new products from Carpenter Industries is these reproduction Ford letters for the front grille. This is for the 73 to 77 Ford pickup. These are licensed through Ford. Dennis Carpenter makes these. These are satin black. We also sell them in chrome. What's nice on these, they give you the whole set in satin black. You also get the little keeper nuts to attach them with. Again, brand new for the 73 to 77 Ford pickup. And for our March Web Truck of the Month, we have Derek Pine's beautiful 68 Bronco. It's a unique story. You'll enjoy it. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
289 engine in it. It's got a mild cam. It did a full frame off restoration on it. It was nice because we had my dad's to kind of go off of to see what we could change on it and upgrade on it, I guess. Right. So it's actually a Lamborghini color. It's their pewter, so we had that color matched and saved a little money on not buying a Lamborghini color. Okay. Had the radiator lowered a couple inches, built this to go over it just to kind of hide everything. Okay. Ran kind of the wiring up underneath so all that's hidden. Just did a lot of little stuff to it, built these tabs so all that kind of comes together. It was rusty, it needed it. It probably has maybe 10 new panels in it, okay, between the floorboards and everything, a new fender. We used most of what we could, and just to save that money, you know. Dad he did a Mustang, didn't really care for it. He liked it, but didn't like driving it. He did a Bronco, and he just fell in love with it. And we would always go on rides, hang out, talk about it. And it's a little more fun to ride in for us, so he just fell in love with them, which made us fall in love with them. Worked on it for 6 to 8 months with him till he got sick, passed, and then my uncle, who's actually over here, he helped me finish it off, and just delighted with the way it came out. I had intentions of building just like an early Scottsdale, and then he all of a sudden got sick and said, well, we're working on this now, so that turned into the plan. We buckled down, got it to where we wanted it. And then things happened, and like I said, my uncle helped me finish it off. He's very good with vehicles as well, so he helped a ton. The interior was hard to put together. I've never built anything like this before. Never knew how many different colors and parts and stuff you had to think ahead to put together to make it look right. So a lot of family put in their 2 cents on what they thought as well. Really, it's just a cruiser for us. That's why we didn't throw a big engine in it or nothing. We basically we take it out on Sundays, go get ice cream, stays at mom's house in town. We don't take it down dirt roads or nothing.